Hey, what's going on, guys? Today's video, I'm going to be showing you an easy install for new wiper blade arms, new wiper blades as well. I'll demonstrate that in the video. Now, this one is a 97. These wiper arms, I'm pretty sure, go from 97 to 02 or 03. Don't quote me on that one, but they extend quite a few years. Now, the wiper blade arms have a little cap on them like this here. Now, the one we're gonna start with in just a second does not have a cap. So you remove the cap to expose the bolt. So we're gonna be working on this one. So let's go ahead and go to that one now. Right over this little bolt right over here that's sticking up with a nut. That is the bolt right there, forgive all the snow. And this little nut right here goes on top of that. I have a 5/8 right here, and that bad boy came right off. Now, I did have a little bit of a problem getting this off. It might have been frozen on. And so what I did is, as I was lifting up on it, I was putting pressure upwards. I just tapped the bolt a little bit to kind of loosen that up. So I tapped down on that while I was pulling up, and that loosened it. And once that bolt is removed, then the arm flies right off. Now, the reason I'm replacing these is as I was disassembling the old wiper blades, putting on the new ones, it broke. New ones are very inexpensive. We got them at AutoZone for 20 bucks a piece. And if you are military, check with their military discount. Hey guys, if you're new here, welcome. We have a lot of fun here. Smash that subscribe button down below and turn on your bell notifications so when fresh content comes out, you're the first to know. If you don't have an auto parts store near you, I will go ahead and link these in the description box right below the video. And this, as you can see here, is your passenger side one. There is just a slight little downward angle there. Just match it up to your one you pull off. The driver's side is slightly different. Okay, again, we are on the passenger side. This one slips right into the slot like that. Now, before you do tighten the bolt down here, you want to go ahead and put it on so it's adjusting so your wiper blade is not all the way down here. So after you put on your new ones, if they're different lengths or whatever, I actually had to untighten my bolt. I pulled it off, repositioned it just a little bit higher so it starts and ends right here, so it's not going on my plastic here. So now we're gonna go ahead and tighten down my bolt. All right, and you just wanna make sure that it's nice and seated in there before we do put the bolt on and tighten it. All right, we got it nice and tightened down. Now we're gonna put on our wiper blade. So I'd show you exactly how I would take them off, but unfortunately, because obviously I'm installing new wiper blade arms, the old ones, it was just severed in there. It was absolutely horrible to try to get these old ones off. I have no idea if they're the original from 97 or not. 10-year-old wiper blades. This is Colorado, been through a lot. So anyway, what I actually had to do was carefully, this just arcs down, and there is a push tab right here, as we can see. So you want to push that tab down while you pull down, and it should come out of the socket. I'll show you. See, what happens here is it slipped in right there, and this is up in through there. So once you push that tab down, this obviously is at the top, and you pull down, and that releases from this little hook here. And then all you do is you bring it out like that. That is how it's supposed to come off if it's not severed on the old one. Now I will have these ones linked also in the description box. These are the Rain X, the hybrid blades. These are H22s. These fit the 97 Ford truck. This is a 4x4, but it should fit your extended cab, two-wheel drive, etc. just fine for years, I believe, 97 through 02 or 03. Okay, the first thing you're gonna do is we're gonna take that little plastic guard off of the blade here in just a second, but you're gonna go ahead and flip up this Rain X tab right to left so it comes up just like that. All right, so once we have that Rain X tab flipped up to the left here, we're gonna go ahead and see our little insert right here. Okay, what we want to do is we wanna wrap our wiper arm hook around where my thumb is here, so that little arm goes right around this right here. So what's nice about these Rain X arms is it's a little bit easier to go ahead and put that on. So what you want to do, you want to insert this in this slot right here, but we're going to come up in this direction like this right here. So it's straight up on the arm like this. Now let's go ahead and get a nice little tight shot inside. And what we're gonna do here, it's a little tricky filming with one hand, but we need to actually now pull this up as we just saw. So, okay, let's go ahead and flip this sideways now. Now our little clip is hooked into, and we have this little notch facing the right-hand side here. So again, you put it on through the little Rain-X tab right here, vertically, and then make sure it's slid all the way up, pop it back down like this. You might wanna give it one more yank up to make sure mine clicked just a little bit more. As we can see, our arm right there by my thumb is now all the way inside that little notch there. So put it horizontal, give it one more pull up, and then we're gonna go ahead and pop in our little Rain-X clip there. And then obviously we're gonna go ahead and remove our little plastic guard here. And here's the driver's side ones. As you can tell, they are perfectly straight on the ends. And so this is again the driver's side. And obviously for 20 bucks, look at these old junkers. I've gone through a lot of snow seasons right there. These are our nice black steel ones here. And so here is another view of putting on the new windshield wipers here. Our little Rain-X tab is flipped up there. You want to push that down into the vertical position like that. All you do is go inside, seat it down, but then remember my trick here. So we're again a little too far up on our tab notch right there. So we need to go ahead and pull it down. So I'll show you now, and that pops up there. See, now that is completely inside the little notch like that. With our tab facing that way, click down our Rain-X tab right there, and you are good to go for your driver's side one. And again, just seat it down and push that down there, just like that. And so your bolt is sticking up, and that's looking great on my windshield right there. So it's not affecting any plastic down at the bottom. We're gonna go ahead and tighten that bolt on now. And those are gonna be perfectly positioned windshield wiper, brand new arms and blades. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Give it a big thumbs up if it has helped you. And again, those links for those products will be in the description box below. Check out my other videos for 97 and up Fords. You guys have a wonderful day. Stay safe out there and subscribe to the channel. Take care. Bye-bye. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch, and we'll see you soon.